This class that we built in the last lecture has a tiny problem. Let me show you. So here we have a cloud object. I'm going to call cloud.add, pass Python, repeat this a couple times, and then change this to an uppercase P. Now, if we print cloud of Python all in uppercase, we get 3. So our program is working. However, if I access the underlying dictionary in this class, our program is going to crash. Let's take a look. So we got an exception of type key error because we don't have this key in our dictionary. Everything is stored as lowercase. So the problem with this class is that it gives us access to the underlying dictionary that is used to keep track of the count of tags. To fix this problem, we need to hide this attribute from the outside, so we cannot access it. How do we do this? Very easy. So back to our class. Put the cursor on this attribute and press F2. This is used for renaming objects in VS Code. Now, to make this private or inaccessible from the outside, you need to prefix it with 2 underlines. Now, when you press enter, you're going to see an error on the bottom right corner of the screen. It's going to tell you that the refactoring library rope is not installed. Go ahead and install that and then try this again. Now you can see all occurrences of self.tags is renamed to self.double_tags. Now, back to where we use a tag cloud object. If we use the dot operator, so cloud dot, we no longer have tags here. We also don't have double_tags. So if we print this, we get an exception of type attribute error. Tag cloud object doesn't have this attribute. So this is how we can make certain attributes or certain methods in the class private. If we prefix them with double underscores, they're considered private. Having said that, technically, these members are still accessible from the outside. It's just a little bit harder to access them. So the point of this practice is not security. It's more of a warning or alert to someone who is using this class. It's telling the consumer of this class, hey, don't touch this. This is private. But let me show you how you can still access this. I'm going to delete all this code. Every class or every object has this property called __dict. This is a dictionary that holds all the attributes in this class. Let's take a look. Print. So in this class, we have this attribute called underline tag cloud, double underlines tags. So when Python interpreter runs this code, it automatically renames this attribute and prefixes it with the name of its class. So technically, we can still access it. Let me show you. I'm going to copy this name and then print cloud dot this attribute. Let's take a look. We get an empty dictionary. So in Python, unlike languages like C# or Java, we don't really have the concept of private members. These private members are still accessible from the outside. Using double underscores is more of a convention to prevent accidental access of these private members.